Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So this season is definitely them Mpumelelo clans as they are busy winning left, right and center, from Mpumelelo landing multiple TV gigs to now recently purchasing her brand new luxurious car, to Mayeni and Musa's daughter Uabangwe joining the KZN girls soccer team, you guys. And to now, Mayeni's son Mpumelelo, who is only 22 years old, announced that he had started his own security company, which is called Sibindi Security Services, you guys. He announced the amazing news on Facebook that he is the owner and boss of his own company. And of course, Mpumelelo was very proud of his son as he shared his excitement and congratulated his son for this milestone. A very big congratulations to Mpumelelo, guys. Now, please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.